Tired of spotty wireless connections slowing down your operations? ISA100.11a delivers the kind of wireless performance industrial environments demand. Reliable, consistent, and built to last. It's engineered for the noise, interference, and complexity of real-world operations. With the ISA100.11a standard, you can implement a wireless system that holds its connection, performs under pressure, and keeps your data moving when timing matters most. From non-critical monitoring and alerts to supervisory control and even closed-loop applications, ISA100.11a has you covered. What about power efficiency? ISA100.11a is built for low energy consumption, so your devices stay online without burning through batteries. Need speed? How about latencies as low as 100 milliseconds, fast enough to keep control loops tight and operations running smoothly? If your application demands even more speed, customizable configurations are ready to deliver. Worried about interference? Not a problem. Whether it's Wi-Fi, mobile phones, or legacy systems crowding the airwaves, ISA100.11a is built to cut through the noise and keep your signals clean. And the real game changer? Interoperability. Devices from different vendors can talk to each other, work together, and evolve with your system. That's the kind of flexibility modern plants need. Worried about security? You're covered. With strong encryption and layered authentication, ISA100.11a keeps your network protected from edge to core. Think of it as industrial-grade peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your wireless game? Explore what ISA100.11a can do for your operations. Visit isa.org/isa-100 to get started.